Color the next page. You don't want to color that page? How about this page? Use the pointy side. No. Oh, does it taste nice? Yeah, you're gonna just want to wet it a little bit, huh? See? Ooh, that made a nice color. Is that the trick? You gotta lick it first? Oh, you already colored this page. Oh, no. Next page. Oh, right here. Color Mickey. Oh, that's nice. No, that's not. Look what you did. Uh-oh. Let's color Daisy. There's Daisy. Oh, yuck. How about you turn it around like this? There we go. Oh, yeah, you have to lick it a little, huh? Let's try doing this one. Uh-oh. Oh, you want to change colors? Here, I'll take this. Here. There you go. Why do you look so mad? No. Wow, that's so pretty. Why'd you tear it? All done. Say bye. Bye. Wave your hands. Wave. Wave. Wave your hands. Wave.